We're Andy and Trey for Two Gay Expats, and this is your complete gay travel guide to Portugal's Algarve. Are you ready?
Let's go.
For our next adventure, we're heading south from Lisbon to Portugal's Algarve, home to some of the most spectacular beaches in Europe, dramatic golden cliffs, turquoise water, and an unexpectedly fun LGBTQ scene.
We're staying at a wildly popular gay nudist resort, exploring stunning gay nude beaches tucked between cliffs, and checking out the region's limited but very specific gay nightlife. So trust us, this is one travel guide you don't want to miss.
Now, before we get started, do us a favor and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming gay travel adventures.
It's totally free for you and means the world to us. Now let's dive in.
We start this journey in Lisbon, where we pick up our rental car and hit the road for a roughly 2.5-hour drive south to the Algarve. Once you're out of Lisbon, the drive is surprisingly easy, and it really sets the tone for a slower, more relaxed pace of travel.
Just before arriving, we make a very important stop for Peri-Peri chicken, which is practically a national religion here, especially in southern Portugal. You'll see charcoal grills everywhere, usually with chickens cooking right on the sidewalk, and you know you're about to eat well.
We had planned to visit the famous Churrascaria Valdemar and Silves, but it's closed during our visit. Thankfully, the spot right next door looks just as legit, with chickens grilling outside and locals lining up. Always a good sign.
We ordered 2 lunch specials and a small salad, and after the drive from Lisbon, it absolutely hits the spot. And the best part? The entire feast comes out to just 23 euros. Incredible value and the perfect welcome to the Algarve.
From Silves, it's another quick 15 to 20-minute drive to our hotel for the week, Casa Risa, and we're genuinely excited to finally be here after hearing so much about it. This place has been on our gay travel list for a long time.
Casa Risa is a men-only, nudist-friendly gay resort, and it instantly feels social, relaxed, and welcoming. We have a full gay hotel review link down in the description, so we won't give everything away here, but just know it lives up to the hype.
After a quick tour, unpacking, and a very relaxing first afternoon by the pool, it's time to head out and start exploring the Algarve.
This evening, we head into the town of Lagos for sunset, which is one of our favorite ways to ease into a new destination. The coastline here is stunning, and the sunset views completely deliver.
This is one of those spots where arriving 30 to 45 minutes before sunset really matters if you want a good place to sit, so bring a blanket and maybe something to drink.
When we turn around, we notice quite a few gay couples nearby, which we always love to see. We'll drop the exact Google Maps location for this sunset spot on our website at twogayexpats.com/gay-algarve.
After sunset, we grab dinner in Lagos at Calyu restaurant for the best pizzas in town. Then head back to Casa Risa for a relaxed nightcap. It's the perfect balance, a little exploring, good food, and then unwinding back at the hotel before a full day tomorrow.
Our first full day kicks off back in Lagos with a morning boat tour of Ponta da Piedade, one of the Algarve's most famous coastal landmarks. If this is your first time here, this tour is an absolute must.
We depart from Lagos Marina and immediately start cruising past stunning beaches like Praia Dona Ana and Praia do Camilo. Praia do Camilo in particular is unforgettable, tucked between cliffs and accessed by a dramatic wooden staircase. One of my favorite memories from a previous trip was having lunch with a view at the top of this cliff. But today, we're taking you somewhere even more fabulous in just a bit.
Along the way, our captain guides us through narrow caves, arches, and rock formations, including Mini Benagil, the Arc de Triomphe, and the Nude Beach, as he calls it. With so many boat and kayak tours around now, there are better nude beach options that we'll definitely show you. But either way, the scenery here is unreal.
We eventually reach Ponta da Piedade, where I took a similar tour back in 2018. It's wild to see how timeless this landscape is, and that they're still running tours from here. Next, we continue deeper into the caves, spotting formations like the Elephant Head and the famous Cathedral Cave, where we literally have to duck as the boat slips inside.
Our tour wraps up at what our captain calls the living room, supposedly the most beautiful spot in the Algarve, before heading back to the marina after about an hour and 15 minutes. If you're interested in joining the same tour on your Algarve adventure, we'll drop a link down in the description.
After the boat tour, we drive over to Praia da Luz for lunch at Zazu Beach Club. And trust us, this is a don't miss spot on the Algarve coast. Luz is incredibly charming, with cafes, bars, a colorful church by the sea, and beautiful beach views. But Zazu really steals the show here.
Reservations are essential, and we recommend booking the first lunch seating so you can enjoy the entire space before it fills up. Our very handsome server even offers to take photos for us around the restaurant and suggests a sparkling rosé with fine bubbles, which is absolutely delicious.
For food, we share spicy tuna rolls, a beet salad, and pad thai, and every single dish hits.
After lunch, it's finally time for one of the Algarve's biggest highlights, the gay nude beaches. We drive to Praia do Submarino and Praia de João de Arenz, where the parking is easy and the walk down takes about 15 to 20 minutes, though filming definitely stretches that closer to 30.
Wear proper shoes and bring a backpack. This isn't flip-flop terrain, and you'll want your hands free for the short climbs and rocky sections.
Praia do Submarino is instantly recognizable by its iconic submarine-shaped rock, while João de Arenz stays sunny later into the evening, making it perfect for sunset.
We've created full gay beach guides for both locations with all our tips, and we'll link those in the Watch Next section so you can really plan your Algarve beach days.
And if you want to go even deeper behind the scenes, this is a perfect time to mention something new that we're trying over on Patreon. For the first time ever, we're offering a one-time Patreon post, no monthly commitment, so you can check out exclusive behind-the-scenes photos and videos from João de Arenz and see what supporting our work looks like up close.
And while we're here, we also just launched our Etsy store, TGE Beach Club, with a small collection of our signature items inspired by places exactly like this.
One of our favorites, the "We Just Want to See You Happy" and "Naked" coffee mug. Because honestly, that sums us up pretty well.
You'll find links to both the Patreon post and our new Etsy shop down in the description.
Now, when it comes to gay nightlife, the Algarve is limited, but very specific. We head to Albufeira to check out Connection Terrace Bar, the region's only gay bar, located right on the strip where the night energy builds fast. They open around 9, and by 10, the balcony terrace is already buzzing. The owner is super cute, the crowd is friendly, and the inside bar is beautiful as well.
Just a short walk away is Dark by Nude, the Algarve's only gay nudist club. We can't show you inside, but we share everything you need to know to visit over on Patreon. So if that's your scene, you know where to go.
After a fun night out, we slow things way down for one of the most relaxing and memorable days of the entire trip, a visit to Vila Joya. It's the perfect contrast to beach hikes and late nights. The moment you arrive, it already feels special.
We first stop at the 2 Michelin star restaurant for the views, then hop into a golf cart down to the famous beach shack. We start with sparkling rosé, then head upstairs to a stunning Seaview table and dive into a Pan-Asian and Japanese fusion menu.
From local oysters with ponzu to tuna tataki, bluefin maki, and banana rum cake, every dish is incredible. It's a far more accessible experience than the Michelin restaurant above, but with the same jaw-dropping views and impeccable service.
Our final full day in the Algarve is all about slowing down, lounging by the pool at Casa Risa and soaking it all in.
Before we wrap up, a few important travel tips. Fly into Faro Airport and give yourself plenty of time for rental car returns and check-in lines. Faro is busy, so arriving around 3 hours early is a smart move.
To explore the Algarve, you'll want to rent a car with transponders included. You'll want to carry some cash for hotel city taxes and restaurants, and book dining ahead during high season.
This is the final stop in our Portugal series, so if you're planning a full trip, we also have videos on Lisbon, Porto, and the Douro Valley linked below.
And one last tip, don't skip travel insurance. We use Safety Wing, which covers everything from lost luggage to unexpected medical expenses abroad. Whether you're here for a week or traveling full-time, it's a must-have. Links down in the description.
Well, that's a wrap on this gay travel guide to Portugal's Algarve. Have you been? Let us know your favorite hotspots and hidden gems down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.
And if you liked today's video, do us a favor and smash that like button for the almighty YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming travel adventures.
For more gay travel inspiration, head over to our website at 2gayexpats.com. Check out the videos we've curated for you down in the Watch Next section of the description, and follow us on social media at 2gayexpats.
And don't forget to join us over on Patreon for behind-the-scenes photos, videos, and exclusive content.
We also want to thank our channel members and patrons. We greatly appreciate your support.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Hasta luego.